Hi, it's Xavier. Come on, let's find out what's in my potting soil for 2024. I've still got 3 bags of kitty litter, so then 2 parts of the pumice, and this is 4.5 to 5 mil. 2 parts zeolite, 1 part pine bark, probably sizes between sort of 1-2 millimeters up to a centimeter, and then 1 part vermiculite, which for me is what keeps the moisture in. Put in a scoopful of this carbonated carbon or whatever, which is supposed to be good for antibacterial and root growth, and the Oceana root growth pellets. Mix it together well. If you see any big bits, just remove. Once I've finished all the kitty litter, then that will just be left out, and it'll just be the zeolite pumice. That works out to basically an 80-20 split, inorganic, organic. And that is what I use to try and create great bonsai in the bonsai retreat. Cheers.